just proposing that they clean that line out and we use it. All right, I need base rock, and as you know how picky have got a whole lot going on at the church right now. We've got electric being ran. That's all three-phase electric upgrade for the new proposed building. Back here, we've got base rock getting dumped on our parking area so we can give the church some temporary parking. And we can also hopefully mitigate any track out on this new existing asphalt that's not a couple months old. That's what I'm trying to get at. So we've got fire and FDC popped up into the building. It's ran out to the road. We've got bores shooting across the road, worrying about a little bit of the alignment over there, dealing with a little bit of sewer service issues. There was an existing building out here, thought we could use the existing service. That doesn't look to be the case at this point. So getting this parking area, all the utilities across, racetracked it real fast and in a hurry so we can keep this base coming all the way around. We're gonna have it all nice base tucked in. It sucks, we're gonna have to deal with the sewer after the base goes down, but the paving contractor already knew that they were gonna have to come back twice in the way that we bid this for the client. So this is right in the middle of spring break. I just come back from Branson literally an hour ago. I've done one meeting, met these guys here, had to deal with some issues that arose out here. Now I've got to go back to the office for a meeting for an hour, and then me and Will are venturing off to Matt's Mid-America Truck Show. I'm excited.